When you use poor quality screwdrivers with soft metal from China, you may damage not only the screwdriver itself, but also the screws, as you can see. And sometimes this can lead to additional difficulties in order to unscrew the required screws. And you will need to use additional tools to remove required screws. Today we will try to fix that, but do not expect a miracle. Hello everyone, привіт всім, and welcome back to very excited video blog. Take a look at these screwdrivers. You can see the tips of the screwdrivers are damaged and they are not suitable for use. However, you can try to restore such screwdrivers. So, need to grind off half of millimeter of screwdrivers. Now it has approximately its original appearance. Of course, the characteristics of screwdriver have already changed, but as a rule, when manufacturers such screwdrivers has a reserve of 0.2 mm or half millimeter. Therefore, we have a chance to restore. After I have leveled the surface screwdriver and I will temper the metal. In this way, I will increase the durability of the metal. This process is to make fork knives, axes, drills and other tools that work on hard surfaces. First, need to prepare the screwdrivers what we will temper. Do not expect a miracle from this process because we have not poor metal but with impurities. Since the screwdrivers is easily damaged, it means there has a lot of impurities. Therefore we will try in any case. It will improve the characteristic of screwdrivers and make it a little bit better. We heat the screwdriver to a bright red color and quickly cool it in water or machine oil. What happened at this moment? During the heating process, recrystallization occurs. As a result, all molecular bonds break down and new ones are formed. After such a procedure, the screwdriver will get a second chance and will be more solid and harder. Best way to say thank you to the author is to share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.